Hi guys, so for today's Busted Out, I'm sorry, I was going to use my Pink and Main, my new things, and maybe with some old papers like I mentioned earlier today, but I started wrapping gifts and I realized I don't know what I did with my gift tags. I literally used them just the other day when I was sending out, packages to my family members, so I don't know. But how dare I buy gift tags, huh, when we have all these things. So any links I have in the description box right down here under the title will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Having said that, for today's video, of course, Busted Out, it's usually older things. A lot of times they're not gettable. Maybe that's eBay, maybe it's a little bit higher price certain places because it still has some stock. I don't know. With these things, they are newer, and having said that, I should say, because I haven't used these before, these two items here were sent free of charge by Diamond Press, and for my review, and all opinions are my own. So this is more recent, but they sent them to me quite a long time ago. So I showed them to you guys when they launched these things on their website, and it's been a while. So again, Diamond Press is so kind that the discount code is always there with the affiliate information. It's basically an affiliate code. You get 18% off your purchase every day. And yeah, so for right now it's 18% off. So that information is always in the description box. Well, not always. Sometimes I take out the affiliate links. And just the link to my Diamond Press is not an affiliate link. You have to use that code. That's the affiliate code. So I always want to stipulate that. The other thing is if you guys recall, not too long ago, they had sent me some tags, and I'm like, oh, I already have these in my stash, because I've been collecting Diamond Press myself since basically the beginning. And I can't find those tags, and I showed them to you guys, and I gave away the other set in the chat, or when we did a live chat, and then I don't know where I put them. So they're here somewhere. It was like when Miranda dropped something, she's like, it's gone. I'm like, it's literally gonna be in right here where you were, But so I was digging through my stuff and I found this kit, which, as you can see, I never even opened. This is back a long time ago when Diamond Press used to sell their items on HSN with inks sometimes. So I have these really pretty inks. They're usually pigment inks, so they're kind of like a chalky ink that you have to heat set or just wait a really long time. And not so much heat set, but usually with embossing ink, they're you work differently with pigment inks. And then it has some embossing folders, really cute. Oh, there's a ton of them in here too. I just thought it was this here, but there's another one in the back. And anyhow, what I wanted to use this one for is because I saw this cute little shape. I wasn't sure what this would cut out, but I can see through here that there were like no peeking and some other things. So let me open this up and see what's here. It might work, and if it doesn't, I have this to from that I can put again with the same, mix and match. Or at least try to. Wow, this is a great set. I'm sorry, like I said, it's probably not available anymore. I'm like, ooh, look at this. It has a lot going on here, and the little Christmas trees, and then we have all these other pieces here, and the little presents that look just, like the squares, so you can cut them out once, or with the same die. Lots of sentiments, and that's what I thought. I didn't think this had a to from. I couldn't see it through the packaging, so I had a feeling it didn't have it. But it does have a tag like this, which is nice, because again, you can do the no peeking, these guys. And then cut it out. We have peace, love, joy is what it looks like. You know me. Christmas. We have the dies that cut out all the trees. I mean, this is adorable. I don't even know the name of this. When I was unpackaging things, I was trying to write the names on them. Not that it matters now, because again, it's not available. But the bow, this garland, like this is adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm happy I have it. See, that's why we hoard the things, guys. All right, and then I pulled this one out too. So this is Handmade with Love tag die set. This is Thank You tag die set. So this is all I'm going to be doing until after Christmas, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a happy and healthy holiday time and Christmas. And yeah, I know it's a strange one this year. We're going to do what we can, right? So let me check this out. What I want to know from this one, and I just grabbed these because they had that shape, the little circle. And again, I'm not even sure if these are available still on Diamond Press. They had them for a while. Oh yes, this is what I wanted. So I think what I'm just going to do is just stamp. Oh, what was that? Okay. And then try to cut it out with something. But what I want to see is, like, do these pair up? I think they should, or they would. It might have some extra space. Look at that. That's what I wanted to know. Awesome. And then, so that means this one too has a cute little circle around. I mean, there's lots of ways we can play with this. So let's see. Do not open until December 25th. What I think I'm going to do for each Christmas tag is maybe put a couple of tags on the gift. We'll see what happens. Is this... I'm sorry guys. I try to clean my stuff like after I use it, and then sometimes the stuff just stays, and now it's gonna be there forever. All right, red ink. Okay, I would use the inks that are in this kit, but again, they're pigment inks, and I just need to get this done because the kids are upstairs, and I would just stay upstairs for a little bit, you know. We'll see what happens. Let's see. This is a pretty green. I'm looking for red. I'll be right back for a darker green. I got pine tree, so we'll try this out. I'm not expecting that this first stamp is going to be perfect because this is one of those full stamps here. So I'm just rubbing it in there pretty good, picking that up. See what happens. It looks very grainy. Oh, but that's not bad. Okay, well, again, not my favorite. So what I'm going to do is turn... No, I don't want to turn it over. I'm not going to do that because it's a gift tag, so it's movable. People might see how I have it one way or the other. Just gotta try to ink that up really well. Oh, that looks good. I think. I say that and then I can see that there's an air bubble right there. Ah, pretty. That's cool. What is this? Something showed up out of the blue. We're going to do it again, you guys. Oh my goodness. That's funny because it looks like a gift tag, like the hole. So I was like, okay. And then I realized, wait, that's not supposed to be there. Okay, let's do this again. I don't even know where I picked up that weird little piece of whatever it was. All right. And then I didn't even think about leaving myself a border for this, but that's okay. This also has something that would cut like this one, right? So, you know, I can mix them all and match them all, and that's really fun. So let's see about this one. Ooh. Yeah, like I said, I didn't leave myself... Well, maybe... Oh, let's make this one like a little jaunty thing. It goes like this. Yes, all right. I'm going to tape this down. I'm going to cut it, fussy cut, just to get rid of this part. And I'm going to run it through the marquee, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay. I'm sure everyone's real busy right now wrapping up different odds and ends and finishing things up like that. Cute. That's fine with me. Let's see here. The other thing I wanted to do was do the to from. Maybe we will use this and a different shape on this. How about that? And this one can just be a tag, and then let's see. I see I have some red paper here. This is kind of pink, but it's almost no, that one. That one's still kind of coral. That is a close to my heart red paper. Ah. So I'm gonna use this, but I'm going to put this in here. So we have our to from. Oh, actually, I'm gonna do that first. So for this one, I can't nest these together. I suppose you could, but that's kind of scary. We don't want to do that. So let me cut this down. Oopsie. Let's put this like up here somewhere, just to give us enough room for that thing. And these are just scraps of paper, as you can see. It's so funny. I was like, oh man, I should bust out my my stash of paper here. I don't know if you do that, but I have a basket next to me that wherever I have scraps, I just throw it in there, so then I can use it later. And so like right now, I just reached over. I'm looking for something red, and I found something kind of along the lines of what I was looking for, and that worked out. So I'm gonna put this in here. If I was using this guy, you can run them both, I suppose, yeah, at the same time. See, they would fit around each other, or this would fit around it. But with the other one, it was right inside, and that kind of scares me. So let's not do that. Oh, I also have a Spellbinders box coming from my order. Let me think. I was hoping they would get delivered a day early, like today, but it says it's gonna be in tomorrow, and that would be fun because I think they still have I know they still have the mystery bag available, and that's what's in the order. So I'm like, if I could show it to you guys, I think you guys would like that. We might have a video tomorrow. I don't know. It depends. And then it looks like it started off with UPS, and they give it to the post office. So the post office will be finishing that up, and like I said, they've been coming by. This morning they drove by here at 6:45. Didn't leave me anything. They left something for my neighbor, I guess. And then they came back at the regular time and delivered my regular mail. But so they're trying. Post office is trying. It looks like they're doing different deliveries than normal, or extras, should I say? Extra shifts, extra deliveries. Okay. Oh, look how cute. So then I'll put it, you know, maybe with some little twine. We have a little do not open, or we'll put this part first. I think that'd be cute, actually. So I'll put a little twine and I'll stick them on my gifts that way. And I'll make several here. So when I have pictures for you guys, it will be of different colors and different combinations of what I have going on here. But that's really cute. Yay. This is better than the little tags I had bought. Truth be told, they were from the Dollar Tree. So yes. Yes, I know. All right, guys, thanks so much. Hopefully, yeah, if they deliver my Spellbinders package early, I will try and do a video of that today. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow if they deliver it tomorrow. And if they don't, I'm not gonna, be on here until probably the day after Christmas. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one. I wish you guys all the best, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.